How important is curb appeal when selling your home?
But that's just a first impression. I could be totally wrong.
The answer is very important. Very important. The curb appeal is often the buyer's first impression of your house. And first impressions are everything. For instance, when meeting someone new, you have a fraction of a second to decide whether you like them or not. Are you swiping left or are you swiping right? It's the same thing with the house. Buyers walk up to your house or pull up to your house and they already have a feeling whether they like the inside or not. So, how can you make your curb appeal better without breaking the bank? First, paint your front door. While you're at it, you might as well paint all the window trim, garage door. That's not very expensive, but that does make a big difference. Plant some new flowers in your garden. Turn the soil, pick out the weeds, and just clean up the garden beds a bit. This won't break the bank, especially if you're careful with what flowers you pick. If you don't have an area for a garden, you can build a window flower box. This could be an easy DIY project for your family. There are plenty of online tutorials for you to follow. Cut the grass. This may seem obvious, but pull out that trimmer and weed whacker and really sharpen up your lawn. It's just like a fresh haircut. A well-manicured lawn always makes the house look expensive. If you have time and maybe a bit of money, you can try and reseal your driveway. It'll look fresh and new, things that buyers appreciate. If you were a buyer, what would catch your eye? What are you looking for in a first impression of a home? Comment below and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next Wednesday.